How to clean system cache files from Android device and free up space. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can clean up your cache files on Android and free up some of the storage by clearing up the temporary junk files. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you might actually want to do is there is basically two ways to do it. One is the manual way and the other is the automatic way, which we'll do with the help of third-party application. But first of all, let us discuss the manual way, which is more effective in my opinion. Go ahead and open settings and then select the apps button called apps. So once you select apps, over here you'll be able to see a list of different applications on the list. Now what we will do is we will simply select any of the particular app on the list. If we want to clear the cache for this, we'll go ahead and tap on storage. As we tap on storage, you can see the cache files is actually 299 MB, and in 299 MB lots of music and lots of photos are actually going to fit in. So you could see how much space and temporary space just one app is occupying. So what we can do is simply tap on the button which is clear cache at the bottom right corner. If you clear the data, that's also a good option, but that is basically going to remove all of the data of the Facebook app, and you have to simply relog into your account. Now that is the basically first way and manual way to do it. The other way is a third-party way, which we will do it with the help of an app called CCleaner, which is my personal favorite. So if I go ahead and download this CCleaner, now before you open it, what I would recommend you do is to simply turn off your internet, because when you open the app you might be dealt with a bunch of different apps. If you actually turn off your internet connection, you're not going to be dealt with advertisements. So once you open up your CCleaner app, you'll be able to see a list of various options. What you want to do is we'll simply select quick clean, and you can see some of the visible caches, empty folders, and so on. So what we will do is we will simply select the option which says finish cleaning. As soon as you tap on finish cleaning, tap on the clear button. As you tap on the clear button, you can see it says cleaning junk, and that will basically free up some of the storage. As you can see, some of the storage which it has saved as well. And this is how you could very easily clear system cache files and free up storage. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.